Hi folks, this is All the Fruit, and today I want to talk to you about another aspect of Tenerife climate, the tropical rainstorms. Well, you know that the climate of the Canary Islands is basically dominated by the trade winds. They bring cold and moist air from basically from the northeast, from like the Atlantic Ocean in the area of Europe. And those trade winds, they provide most of the water for the Canary Islands. It's quite a constant water supply, because even if it doesn't rain, they provide a lot of fog, which the plants are used to. Then, on quite common occasions, you have the Kalima, Sahara winds from the southeast, which bring this Sahara dust. Often they bring high temperatures, not so much in winter. We had a lot of pretty cool Kalimas recently. They are warm Kalimas, but the last couple of weeks we had cool, gloomy Kalimas. And then we have the tropical rainstorms. And right now we are a little bit in such a phase. The air is coming from the southwest, basically from the Caribbean more or less. It's moist. We had a couple pretty heavy-ish rains this morning, nothing too crazy. Right now I think the next one is coming, because yeah, I heard thunder. This is a plane right now, not thunder, but I heard thunder. There are gusts of wind. There are a couple big raindrops. I might make a different video, but right now I'm loaded to the limit with rare fruit from the palmetto, so I don't know if I can stop in a couple minutes while on my way home when the tropical rainstorm hits me. But basically, since the rainstorm arrived this morning or tonight, it's really warm. The temperature was about 20, now it's 20 something, maybe 24, 25. It's warm despite all the wind and despite the lack of sun. It's not cold. Here, when there is wind and no sun, and especially when it's raining in winter, usually you want to put on some jacket or something, but no. Look at those girls over there, not overdressed. And yeah, this is the tropical rainstorm coming. Basically, this is what provides most of the moisture to the southern sides of the islands. It also provides a lot of destruction. There can be a lot of water and also a lot of wind. Actually, somebody told me in the southwest of Gran Canaria, basically expect your garden and even your house to be destroyed every 5 to 10 years, half destroyed by the tropical rainstorms. We need them. They provide water. They also provide high temperatures. So unlike the trade winds, which provide cold temperature, especially in winter. In winter, basically the trade winds are a little bit too cold for banana cultivation. The tropical rainstorms provide a lot of moisture. They provide a lot of heat, which is good for the bananas, but of course they also destroy the bananas with the strong winds. Here we have the banana collection of the palmetto. I really hope that those nice bananas are gonna survive. They did quite well during the Kalima. They are looking much better than the bananas I saw in the south of Tenerife, around Los Cristianos and Las Americas. Those were completely shredded. Look at this oldish banana here. I think this is blue Java. Look at the blue bananas. Look how shredded it was. Well, around Los Cristianos, there were bananas which were much more shredded. But here, look at them. Most of the plants are still quite okay, despite not being hidden behind walls, fences, or plastic nets. They are just protected by a couple other plants. So yeah, looks good. Well, now folks, oh, I see. No, I thought this is getting right. Well, folks, it's getting a bit dangerous to be out there. Maybe in a couple minutes it will even be uncomfortable when the strong rain starts. Actually, I think the really strong gusts will be tonight, but even now there might be something strong and unpleasant. So I'm gonna run. Just wanted to show you this other aspect of Canary Island weather, which is also very important for fruit cultivation here. As I said, this provides the most the biggest incentive to plant growth on the southern side of the islands, but also the biggest destruction to gardens and property. So before it destroys me, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful island of Tenerife, with the increasingly strong winds nowadays, or today. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.